What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, Caspians. I am back with another video for you guys. Thank you guys so much for the continued support on the channel and the content. If you're new here or you've been here already, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. We'll continue to grow together as a community, keep spreading awareness of Kaspa. Right now, Kaspa is sitting at 0.04 cent, $818 million in market cap, $21.19 million in 24-hour trade volume. And despite the market downturn, Kas is holding up pretty nicely, guys. Let's take a look real quick. We've been looking at these resistance and support levels for Kas. It recently came down on the 18th at this support level, bounced off of it. Then it went into this range. I thought it was going to retrace and go a lot deeper to make a double bottom down at 3.6 cent, around that area, but instead it started to bounce back up and broke this resistance here at 3.9 cent. And we'll see if we continue this uptrend to break out from here. From a few more TA experts, we've seen that you know, there could be a potential 2x on the cards for Kas, right? Now we'll see if we hold this 4 cent range and continue up further, or consolidate until we see that potential breakout for Kas. From Cadillac Man, Kas, although each Kaspa mining rig costs $49,800, Bitmain has sold the first batch and announced that another batch will be available soon. Kaspa Mining, Bitmain Communications, first cares free ant mining Bitcoin news on Kaspa's hash rate, 14.2D views at 9/22 August 23, right? So we've seen with Bitmain, they already sold out of the ASIC miners for Kaspa. And again, when you do you look into it, Kaspa started off where you could use GPU mining, and it wasn't just it wasn't a barrier of entry for people to mine Kas who didn't have like didn't have the money for super expensive rigs, right? Now that Kas is close to $1 billion asset, just under $1 billion, the ASIC miners from Bitmain recently went live and they are sold out, and they cost just under $50,000 each, right? But the miners see the potential of Kas, and that's why they are sold out, right? And they are about to restock those miners for more ASICs to come online, which is just going to be bullish for the Kaspa hash rate and the project as a whole. Cadillac Man, once again, Kaspa ASICs mining tools are very convenient, fast, and efficient. The proof of work mining are recreated by Kaspa. Kaspa will dethrone ETH. And this is from Kaspa Price Group. From the Kaspa community on Reddit, we just posted a new video featuring the unboxing, setup, and profitability of the ASIC miners from Bitmain. Very bullish and very amazing stuff that the Kaspa community is everywhere, right? Even on Reddit, you can see this post has 2 hearts. This post has 14 hearts. And from A7JPG, well, I guess the days of 1 cent are gone. Soldier on my fellow DC heirs. Now, a lot of people want Kas to go back to that 1 cent mark so they could scoop up a very hefty bag. But I'm not sure if we see that, right? It's just gonna have to be some type of huge like black swan event or something terrible in the markets that cause a huge crash on everything for us to see a 1 cent Kaspa once again. From Crypto Grod, exciting news: Kaspa network has landed on RocketXexchange platform. Okay, RocketX, 29,000 followers. The go-to platform for seamlessly transferring digital assets between 200 plus blockchains like BTC, ETH, Solana, Cosmos, etc. And Kaspa is now live on it. Look at that. Marked by a festive atmosphere. Awesome. Effortlessly trade BNB for Kas on the Kaspa network. Enjoying a seamless and user-friendly experience, RocketX ensures you secure the most favorable exchange rates possible. Wow! Transform BNB into Kas. Begin your BNB to Kas swap. Enjoy here. Explore the comprehensive guide on transitioning from BNB to Kas. That's great news. So now we have wrapped Kaspa on ETH, where you could I think you could swap that through the Change wallet, right? And now we have the RocketX listing where you could swap CAS, you could swap BNB for CAS and BTC as well. I've tried some time ago. From Key is CAS. I've tried some time ago. Let's go. Look at that. Interesting. Great news for the community from BitEarth Swap. Okay, let's take a look at it. That's very interesting, man. So here's RocketX and here is their swap. So is this through MetaMask or Trust Wallet? Right? Kaspa mainnet, and you could literally swap BNB for Kaspa. Awesome, man. The easier it is for people to get access to CAS, whether it's through DeFi or centralized exchanges, the better. I'm not sure if you could yes, you can connect through MetaMask. I might try this out myself. And this is BNB chain, right? BNB chain, MetaMask, and of course Trust Wallet. Interesting. So the people that ask, can I get CAS through ETH or BNB, right? I guess now is a possibility to do so. Very bullish stuff, guys. This is great. This is very great stuff. Awesome. From Eskander, CAS, another nice retest of 0.38 cents, 6% down, hardly a dump. CAS dips are for buying. Macro trend still intact and bullish trend on the daily, weekly, and weekly chart. Are we heading back to 4.2 cent next? We're pretty much almost there. You know, we're pretty much almost there already. Diamond Hands, Space Traveler. Considering the CAS hash rate going straight through the roof, the current chart seems to be the greatest bear trap since September last year. And this is what I've been speaking about the whole time. Historically, price follows hash rate, you know, and we have the top indicator, which is Bitcoin, to show us that. Whenever hash rate goes to crazy new levels on Bitcoin, the price action follows to the upside, right? So it's the same thing here with CAS. A lot of people are looking for huge crashes, but the hash rate keeps hitting new all-time high, and that's why I think the price will follow. The next will be glorious. CAS is a rebel. As you can see, look at this. Every time I make a video on the channel, the PHS numbers increase. Now that we have ASICs coming online, that is very awesome stuff. 14.13 PHS for Kaspa hash rate, and after Bitmain restocks, I'm sure the hash rate will continue to go up because all of the previous ASICs are sold out. Kaspa community, put 100% in the CAS. Watch the full video. Very interesting take from another content creator. Let's take a quick look at the video, guys.
Hash rate, because we saw Kaspa in a new all-time high from a hash rate perspective, and also we are about to speak for the Mixi wallet, because guys, Mixi wallet right now has approximately, and I'm speaking for the old Mixi wallet, has approximately 5 million Kaspa coins.
Mixi selling out of all of their Kaspa. Shout out to
also does my video.
Crypto Chris here, shout out to them.
From the title, I'm gonna give you my honest approach if you should actually go all in into Kaspa, because it's a very controversial subject. During to the region, everyone is speaking that Kaspa is the best project, it doesn't have any kind of competition. And from that, the question that comes is, Chris, okay, if it's the best project out there, should we go all in then?
So right here, man, put 100% into Kaspa. Kaspa maxis out there, man. This is a video for you guys. And that's awesome to see. Content creators all over are growing, man. That's awesome. Kaspa news. Anyone know which crypto fear launch coin is currently breaking all network speed records by testing 10 BPS whilst remaining 100% secure, fully decentralized and totally scalable, and can even offer transactions faster than Visa and MasterCard? Some call it BTC 2.0. CAS, maybe? Guys, I'm telling you, Bitcoin is digital gold. Kaspa is digital silver, right? And you just love to see it, man. A huge amount of updates today, especially that RocketX being able to swap BNB for CAS through the RocketX swap. This is very bullish stuff, man. Shout out to every content creator. Shout out to all the everyone in the Kaspa community that is crushing it, spreading various information. You just love to see it, man. Caspians, we're gonna end the video right here. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything about the project and myself will be in the description. Are you gonna go swap some BNB for Cas now or BTC for Cas now? Let me know down in the comment section, guys.